Here are a couple photos that were provided to me before the spillway work on removing the spillways here on the Tobacco River Dam began. You can see right here in this photo, Bay 1 and Bay 2 were blocked with stop logs, and all that water is flowing through Bay 3 over top of the sill and then ending up downriver. They have a pad kind of with concrete right here in front of Bay 1, and that is to go ahead and bring the excavator on. We'll see that in the next couple photos, but they were able to kind of bring that excavator right up here behind Bay 1 and start removing the rest of the spillways with the breaker on the excavator. So let's go ahead. We'll take a look at the next photo here. This was when the spillways were actually removed, and now we can see some of that internal structure, that concrete structure that was the main support of the spillways over here at the Tobacco River Dam. The next photo here actually shows the breaker on the excavator going ahead and removing that support structure. Also, there will be some video at the end of these as well. Not all photos, so make sure you stay tuned to the end. This is from the north side of the spillways looking towards the south. Again, that breaker is in there on the excavators, removing the rest of the spillway structures. And then this next photo kind of shows the entire spillway on the south side removed. A lot of that rebar protruding out from into Bay 1 over here. Bay 2 is still intact though in these photos. Now this is the west side of Bay 1, removed the rest of the way again. A lot of rebar protruding from the retaining wall. Can also see a couple of those stop logs on the top of the stair spillways. Another great shot of the breaker on the excavator going ahead and removing some of those support beams, and you can definitely see how much rebar there is sticking out from that angle. And the final product, the entire spillway removed the rest of the way. Just a little bit of rubble to clean up. Let's jump into some of the video now, and I'll try not to talk. We'll just kind of listen to some of the audio here on the breaker removing the spillway from Bay 1 here on the Tobacco River Dam. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, leave a like down below. Also, leave any comments or questions that you may have. I read every single one of them. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I got a ton of new videos planned and coming up. You won't want to miss them. So until then, I'll see you then. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below. As always, I just want to give a massive thanks to the people who support me on Patreon. Never underestimate the value of your contribution to keeping this channel going. Thank you.